I want to join Manchester United. I've always wanted to wear that iconic red jersey. So if Ruben Amorim wants me, I'm available. I want to be part of his project. I rejected Arsenal because my dream is to win Champions League trophy. So I can't go to a club that haven't done so in 147 years. About Liverpool, that club has no fan base. It's the same as Newcastle. That's why I waited until all those clubs bought new strikes to make my intentions of leaving public. Just imagine me, Kanha and Mbimo on the attacking force. We can destroy those little clubs in England. So, Manchester United fans, let's show the club the striker you want. Comment. We want Alexander Isak as our 9 in the comment section. I'll be happy if they beat for me. If not, I'll have no choice but to go and secure the bag in Saudi Pro League.